In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to sell on Facebook Marketplace. So let's get started. So first of all is that you want to go here into Facebook, log in into your account, and then just simply click here on Marketplace icon on the left menu. If you can find it, just click here on See More, and then you should find the Marketplace option. If not, it might be that you're using a new account or you're restricted to the Facebook Marketplace. That is why it's not available for you right here. So once you click on that, you will now be able to see the dashboard or overview right here of your Facebook Marketplace. And from here, you can now click here on Create New Listing to start selling and listing your item. And from here, you can choose the listing type. You can go for item for sale, vehicle for sale, home for sale, or rent, depending on what kind of item you are trying to sell. Let's say just an ordinary item. So I'm going to go for item for sale. And basically from here is that you want to provide all the details. Like in here, you can add the photos and then add a title, the price, the category. Make sure that this is absolutely correct, because if not, you might have um, what we call visibility issues, where your listing will not appear on the right category. And in that case, then the customer that would see your listing will not be interested because it's in the wrong category and it's just the wrong audience that is not looking for your product. So make sure that this is absolutely correct. And then the condition, put it right here. And then next is that you can click here on more details. And in here, you can now put up the description and then the product tags and then the location where you'll be selling this. This is also very important. And then next is the meetup preferences. You could also do that right here, like the public meetup, door pickup, door drop off, and so on. And then once you're done, you can click here on next, and then you will now be able to publish that or this listing in the marketplace. And then you should now have something like this. And the next step that I suggest you do is to click here on share and then click on group and basically just share them to the relevant group here in Facebook, so that you would be able to advertise or get more audiences for free on your listing just by sharing it to a group here in Facebook. And after that, that's it. That's how you can sell on Facebook Marketplace. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.